Wagwan everybody, social media world, welcome. This is another countdown quickie. I don't know some day here right now for just give you a quick little story. It not really breaking because I should have get into this a long time from many hours ago. But better late than never. So before we jump into it no more, I'm to make sure you go check out the recent social media countdown. It's up with a bag of things. It look like the one to find out about the plane crash. But go on in a Rocky Point in Clarendon, and also in a little Miss Dana story, and all of them little festivities there. So big up for the support. Go and go check it out. But before that, I'm gonna jump into this story now. So dancehall artist Intence. Now, this brother has been going on with a bag of things since the start of his career, and it seems as if they kind of lay low since the whole 2021 start, but he is ready to kick things off, and he kick it off in a very controversial way. So if you go upon Instagrams, if you go on Intence's Instagram page, you'll realize that him take off a good amount of time post them right now. So he only has probably about 6 posts on his page, and the video that he posted is actually behind the scenes of a music video, and it shows him. Before me chat it, just watch. Oh wow! Oh my God! So in other line, him saying something about him touch road. You can tell him just beard, and then says a brown in mouth. Him use for him AshTray. No, Jesus, P-man, down to the people in pansetta laugh. Like, all the girl them over to the side. I honestly think say the acting them need to act over there. So I feel like this is actually real laugh them and laugh after this girl. This girl must have gotten some good amount of money. Fair amount of money supposed to turn up like Matalan. She could have owned a couple of the KFC shares them in Jamaica and right across the Caribbean. Because was this real? Like the ash off of the cigarette? No, like it can't be. I pretend. I camera trick. I clearly camera trick, but like I see a quote on Twitter, and it was saying, "Can you imagine all the girl your mother know for sister? She said I gone to school and do all kind of things, which she got turn man AshTray in a music video." No, it can't. I can't reel something. I must camera trick. Like, can we zoom in and look and examine to see what was going on? Oh wow. No, I'm not gonna lie, people always talk about governor and saying governor tend to do a lot of songs that quote unquote they mean women and all kind of things, yeah. But low-key, if you listen to some Intence song, Intence around fit talk about the little zabat them, the little crowviet, the little butter ears them, the little what you call it, man, the little kunta kinti kunti kancho kusha. Them type of girl like Intence, don't wrong for talk about them and make them feel like them not that important. And so I don't know, but the girls are gonna still flack him. But like, is this real life though? Is Intence actually using girls as his AshTray? But like, I don't believe it may be a part of the artist swag and persona. I do believe that Intence is taken from the page of the legendary Vibes Cartel, and he is understanding, say, in order to survive and thrive and to just become one of those household names in the industry, that you have to go beyond just the music. It's nice to have a hit record, but you have to be a part of the pop culture space. And how do you do that? By being controversial. People not supposed to 100% love you. People supposed to wonder if them like it, but then you drop a song and they're like, wow, I'm afraid the artist there. You're supposed to have that sort of duality in the fan base in terms of, the audience that you have out there. You're supposed to be a personal, a polarizing persona. And I think that is what Intence is achieving at this moment, and you can see it. So because he reposted on his page actually a video that I guess some like a young upcoming social media TikTok person likely to kind of reenact and recreate what he did from the behind the scenes shoot, and you can check it out now. Yes, this is the Intence, full badness, yang. I saw them just live them little life, so who are we to really judge? I see him have a page like he is actually promoting a new single that is called Hurt. Him give you a little snippet, and so I don't know when he might officially drop it. I don't know if that is the behind the scenes with the video. We don't know, but look like Intence is busy like Portia and working and using girls' mouth as them AshTray. Like, I do not know what next Intence have. Like, Intence I have girl, I use them teeth, I bite off him toenail when he want to clip them. Like, I do not know, but it look like so this is just the yang way. Like, we don't know. Let me read some of the comments that people social media gave. I think, oh, I see somebody very active, and that is Wally British. Wally British said, never seen nobody do this yet, youth. I don't know what that really mean. I mean, you know, Wally things never do yet, but that is what an artist does. He tries, you know, an artist always try to get a reaction from the public. And somebody said, if AshTray was a person, somebody said, wonder how her mother feel. Jesus beam. Somebody said, me watch this 6 times to Kitty Cat Clot. Watch walking AshTray. Who the idiot girl there? And so somebody saying, you know, so disrespectful. Hey girl, who your mother? Watch the damn fool. This can't real intense. Straight down in our throat that flick, you know, Jesus P man. Then girl can't fool so we can see the comments to him, and it is just like pretty much the same thing. And on that same post he has as the caption, Browning mount me use to my AshTray. So I do not know what is the deal is, but this girl must get a good pay. I mean, maybe she's into it. Maybe it's her fetish. It's 2021. People have all kind of things where give them a buzz and make them excited. Girl, I do all kind of things where out the road, you know. If you never know the things that the girl out there do, you have girl out the road now where you suck off man elbow and man knee cup between the curves all man big toe. You have girls out there, they might do the little things them like, I don't know, because they want to travel first class. Maybe they want to get the little first spot in the music video. This girl now, she probably feel hype and go in our community now where everybody has say, yo, are you the girl with the AshTray in your mouth? Oh my god, I can't get the autograph. Maybe that make the girl feel good in herself and she feel hype. And Intence now, him just a show you say, yo, I saw him thing go, him get girl easy. Like, that is just the way. Like, why? Listen, that's what I forgot to say right now. I'm looking forward to the music video because I'm sure it's probably going to go on trending like in the first hour that it is out, because now the whole of social media is talking about it, and so we are anticipating it. So on that standpoint, I have to go say, you know, commendations to Intence, because you did what you wanted to do, and that was to get people talking. No, that's all. All I know is that you love your cigarette, you love the weed. I think you ever do a music video yet where you don't have a cigarette in your hand, and you not burn weed or have a cigarette or smoke. It look like said this is just your way of life and your culture. So that's where I forgot to wrap up things right now for this countdown Quickie in Berry does. I'm very curious to hear what you guys have to say out there in a social media world. So make sure say you comment right under this video. Let me hear what you would do if this girl was your mother, or this girl was your sister, or this girl was just somebody who you know, how you would have reacted. How much you think him actually pay her? You think say it was whole heap of money, or you think this girl just do it just for the hype for such in a music video? I want to hear all of them little stuff there in the comments. So if you want to see more countdown Quickie, make sure say, you know, you like, you share, you comment, you subscribe to everything that is DuttyBerry Show on my social media at DuttyBerry Show. Please subscribe so you can see more. And that is where I'm going to say peace out, Berries, and do enjoy the rest of your day, the rest of your week, the rest of your morning, the rest of your night, whichever point that you are watching this zine. Ta-ta!